Hello and welcome to this review of ZebraZat, which is software that makes videos for you. Now, you can get a free version of ZebraZat where you get 25 credits a month and you can output up to 5 minutes of videos per month. I have purchased ZebraZat myself and I purchased it through AppSumo. This is not a sponsored video. So as I said, ZebraZat is all about creating videos and you can use AI just using a text prompt. You can use a URL to make a blog post, or you can write a script yourself. For now, I'm just going to use the prompt. So I want to make a channel trailer. So I have typed out my idea, my prompt. You have 1,000 characters, which is plenty generous. You can pick a video format, a portrait, square, or 16:9. I'm going to go for 16:9. This does TTS and it does captions as well. I'll stick with Guy, and we can have AI visuals or stock library. I don't know which one to have. However, I am going to click consistent character. And this is quite good for the AI visuals. We can pick the type of visual we want, which is really interesting. I am going to go for pixel art. I want my video to be up to 30 seconds long. In advanced settings, we've got the type of music. I think I would want energetic, and we can apply a brand kit, but I've not done that yet. So I'm going to click generate script. So we get multiple scripts. There's script 1, script 2, and script 3. I quite like script 1, so I'm going to click generate video. So even though I click generate, it's possible to edit the script before clicking generate video. I'm going to come back once this is done. So that didn't take too long at all. And now we've got a sort of ability to do some editing. So we can click here on our scene and we can go to stock library, we can regenerate an AI image, or we can upload our own footage. We can change the voiceover, which I think is quite useful. We've got text effects as well, and we've got music, but I'm just going to pick what the AI has gone with because that's the point of doing this up to here. So let's export.
Welcome to the Big G video channel. Dive deep into the world of filmmaking with us as we bring you top-notch software reviews, camera and gear breakdowns, and hands-on tutorials.
So I absolutely love that. There are a few things I would have changed, maybe tinkered with in that script, but I did leave it all to AI. So I was really pleased with that as a channel intro, and it's probably better than my current channel intro, so I will be using that. So I can thoroughly recommend ZebraZat. It's great that it's got a free trial and you can do 5 minutes of videos per month. That's excellent. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.